When it comes to rebalancing your body and getting healthy, and we're talking about like the quickest path to doing that, right? So the first thing that people usually want to do is they want to start eating healthier, which is a good thing. It's a good thing to eat healthy, and just by you starting to eat healthier and do things differently than what you were doing before, that is a great thing. But sometimes things that are considered to be healthy under normal circumstances, right? Like if your health was perfectly fine and you started to eat healthy and do things that's considered to be healthy mainstream wise, you're going to get benefits from them and they're going to start to help you. But once the body goes out of balance, you have to be very deliberate with your approach to becoming healthy, and the standard things that a person would typically do, that might not be the best thing for you at a particular time in where you're at.